Who does this remind you of? All right, guys, take a bite. You guys got it? All right, nice. Mm. Mm. Well. Mm. Guys, I'm not impressed. This piece is good. Mm. Yo. For Walmart? What? Unbelievable. Mm-hmm. Are you ready? Yo. Yeah. I had a dream that God told me, say, hey, Kamala, in order to be successful and be happy, he told me this. He was like, one, get your money, man. And two, boy, you better get some pussy or something. And that's who I am today. I'm happy, and I don't know about successful, but shit, I'm happy. Yup. I had a dream. Oh shit. It broke. Fuck it. Oh! Shit! Oh god, my Xbox. Oh fuck it, it's like $30. Alright, fuck it. Back to eating. Cause your man's is hungry. Is this good lighting? I'm not sure, guys. Okay, it is. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Alright. Let's get it. Alright. Alright. It's starting to taste like butthole. I don't know if you guys ever had butthole, but I've licked butthole before. You know, actually, this tastes a little bit worse now. No, that kinda helped. Rip. Rip. Rest in pieces, Dr. Pepper. Or I should say, Dr. Thunder, you know? I'm cheap like that. So, I thought I was gonna really make Bang this challenge, but it's kind of kicking my ass. I'm getting the McBang sweats. sauce. Rick Ralph. Chicken sauce. Mm. I'm having a hard time now. Mm. I hope. The mukbang sweats might be worse than the mixed sweats at McDonald's. Maybe. Guys, it was good for the first 5 minutes. The chicken is a lot. More full. Yeah. Like McDonald's chicken nuggets, it tastes better, but the skin is like, or it's not as pure. I think this is heavy compared to McDonald's nuggets. Guys, I had to like mix in the Powerade to swallow my chicken nuggets now. Oh, I stood up because I know the camera's like, I want to be eye to eye with you guys, but whatever. Uh. Yep. You know, it's not even bad with like Powerade in my mouth with the chicken nuggets. It's not really not that bad. Well, at this point, I think anything would work. I don't care if I feel miserable. So good. So good, guys. It's on your head, man. Get your head in the game. Mm. You, you're my only one. You're my number one. Take the thug in me and put some in you. Go, camel, go. Go, camel, go. I need to stop drinking this. Gotta go to the soda. Dude, why? This was a bad idea, man. I'm gonna have the mukbang shits. It's gonna bang all over the toilet, man. Woo! It's like a child came out of my mouth. Excuse me. Ooh. Every time I burp, it's like I could eat again. Oh. Take the thug and me, put some on me, no pretender. I don't know how Tyga comes up with these lyrics, man, but I love it. Yeah, yeah. Armpit hair. Oh shit, dude, this sucks. Woo. You know, I'm so glad none of my roommates are here. So they're like, what the hell, Kamala? What are you doing, weirdo? Then again, I'm weird and might be a bad idea to drink all of it. Keep singing your song. Why? This is one pizza, right? Yeah. Let's just say medium to large. Still a challenge. Screw it. Yes! I'm gonna give this to a dog or something. I don't know. Ooh. No. Alright, guys. Hope you enjoyed. See you guys next time. Camel toe out, baby.